Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've posted any videos, any projects, just different things, but life happens, started doing this during COVID, didn't think anything of it, and I'm back at it again, trying to see, where this goes. But more than anything, I just want to go ahead and take you guys along for the journey. I've got this new project cooking, and I'm excited to show you guys. It's something that I've never done before. It's car related, super common to these cars. These issues are definitely, you hear about them all the time on the forums, on the groups, in videos, YouTube videos online, and yet we have another victim. So let me show you guys what's going on, and we'll go from there and we'll see where this journey takes us. So this is a 2021 STI Subaru 4-cylinder 2.5 liter boxer motor. Found this car on Facebook. Was about 2 hours away from me, and thought it was a real sketchy deal. The guy had posted it up for sale, and there was not much information on it. The post didn't even make sense, but sure enough, the car was real. Decided to end up meeting up with the guy, and I got a really good deal on the car, and looks all good, but there's only one big issue. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you could see in there, but the whole entire engine of this car is sitting inside of it. Everything is sitting inside of this car. It is in dire need of some mold removal. That's one of the heads sitting right there. Airbox. Pop the hood for you guys. So this is the new project. So a bit of backstory on the car. The last owner, the original owner, had it for about 7 months, and during that time, I don't know what happened, but the engine just took a dump on it. It blew. He was telling me that he had no idea what happened to it. He just literally gave me those vague details. Supposedly the car only has about 13,000 miles. I have no way of confirming it. I guess we'll find out throughout this whole journey whether it truly does have 13,000 miles. And what I am gonna do is I want to show you guys what the block looks like. Maybe we can go and check it out together and see how much damage is truly done to it. So this is it, guys. This is what we have to work with. Overall, the engine does seem pretty clean. It looks like it might be a low mileage block, and that's definitely nice. Come on this side, everything is there. There's some rust on the cylinder walls. But nothing crazy. Everything looks fine here. Surface of everything looks good. Let's see the other side. Alright. So this is where the damage was. Oh yeah. Right there. You could see there's a nice gaping hole. So, yep. Gotta go check that cylinder head from this side and then we'll see if there's any damage on that. Alright guys, so that's basically what we have to work with. In the next video, I'm gonna dig into this thing and try and see what parts we have available, what we have to work with. I want to look at the damage on the heads, see if there's any at all. One side looked really good, the other side might need some care on the head. So the next video, stay tuned and we'll go ahead and check that out and see how much damage was done by that piston. Looks terrible, huh?